Greetings, queens. Welcome back to my channel. I have a braided wig from you from Amazon from a company called Kalyss. This is a sponsored video, so thank you, Kalyss, for sponsoring this. As you can see, there are adorable gold beads that you can accent on this wig as well. It came with lashes and this neutral colored wig cap. Look at this wig. It is beautiful, has curly ends, nice medium side braids, and even though it's synthetic, like many times when we get our hair braided, it's pretty heavy, right? But this is lightweight, very light and soft. As you can see, it comes with baby hairs, light, front lace. So we definitely have to tweak that lace because it's a little on the ashy side, but all you have to do is use a little pressed powder or foundation and we can get that blended well to match your scalp. And what I love is it's two combs in the front, but it has this band that you can adjust, which is great because if you have a smaller head, you can definitely tighten it. And as you can see, it is kind of a HD lace, but we want to get that color not so ashy. So like I said, use some pressed powder. So we are going to get this adjusted on my head and tweak it to make it look nice and natural as if it's coming out of your scalp. Let's get into it. I didn't get my hair braided, somebody didn't do this. You tell me if this doesn't look like scalp. Go ahead, tell me. Tell me this doesn't look like scalp. This hair is absolutely beautiful. This is a piece that's kicking up because some of the hairs you see, they leave it out wavy underneath. And then some of the braids are braided. You know, none of them are braided all the way down because they curl the ends. This is a company on Amazon, Kalyss, 100% premium synthetic hair, even though I put some mousse on it as if it was real. But this hair looks like human hair, doesn't it? Look, I tried, you know, the baby hairs was acting up. They was a little long, so cut them down because there's no way to brush them back into the hair. So you're going to have to use the baby hairs, but I thinned them out a little bit. And as you can see, this side definitely was better than this side because I didn't thin it out as much and cut it as short as this one. Yeah, I can tweak that. I can tweak that a little later, but cut the baby hairs down low and try to get a tweezer and thin them out. It'll work a lot better. And yes, you can pin it up. Just put this down a little bit. It's lifting a little bit from, because I didn't give it enough time to dry with the wig band. But definitely the construction is good. Leave some down so you can have the wavy part. If you want to put some up, put some down. Style it that way. The parting space is only in this center part, so that's why you saw me looking as to how much I can bring over. It stops at this row right here because this part, oh no, wait, this row. Yeah, I can bring it over to this row, and that's it because this is where the lace is at. And then this part will have to stay back. You can also do the half up, half down. It's not heavy at all. It's lightweight. I love the band construction because you can tighten it up because it has the adjustable straps, you know, in the back. You have the combs that you can stick under your braids for more security. Then you have the little lace that you can lay down, put some wig glue or spray adhesive like I did on there and hold it down with the band, and that'll give more hold. And then you also have that band that they put inside, and the band is adjustable as I showed you, so you can put it to your size head. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. And I love how it's synthetic and it's light. It's light. So get ready for the summer. Feels like it's hardly anything on there. It's a nice medium size braid. And you know, sometimes these braids this size can feel a little heavy, especially if it's a lot. It may after a while start to tangle a little bit, but just make sure you care for it because the instructions are on the bag. How you can fill the sink or container with some lukewarm water and shampoo and swish the hair in there. You know, pat it and squeeze it dry. You don't want to make it tangled and then hang it out. And then that way, you know, if you need to clean it, don't brush it. Finger comb to remove the tangles because some of the braids are loose. As I showed you, you have some loose pieces, so you don't want to mess that up, okay? But this wig is by Kalyss. I will leave the specs in the description and the link to purchase it on Amazon. They have medium shoulder length braids like this. They have the cornrows, large cornrows, the small skinny cornrows, straight braided all the way down cornrows. They have the box braids like this. that's smaller and skinnier and goes straight down. So get you one. First time I'm getting this use this company to get this wig. It's a paid sponsored wig, and definitely it's beautiful. I will definitely give this 5 stars. It's looking like my scalp. I always want to try for a minute now braided wigs. I just want to try it because my hair is like really thin. I don't get my own braided anymore. You know, as you get older, sometimes we tend to lose hair. It gets really thin. Some may suffer from alopecia. Get you a wig cap and get one of these braided wigs, and you will definitely have a great summer with people thinking that this is your hair. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So get yours. Yeah, all the information to purchase this wig I will leave in the description. So again, thank you for joining my channel. Click subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on future content. Until next time.